Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing everybody Google, so I'm on friendlyarena.com here. And so if you guys want to download apps on Android, y'all guys might have to wait 24 hours to install an app. So, this is interesting. So it says here Google's new sideloading rules may force you to wait 24 hours before installing an app. Sideloading on Android will get more harder for certain applications. So as you guys probably know, Google is trying to make sideloading apps very hard to do on Android. So yeah, so if you guys sideload apps on your Android phone all the time, it's about to get harder to do so, and you guys might have to wait 24 hours to install an app. So that is interesting. So let's go ahead and check this out here. So yeah, so as a relatively easy sideloading has been one of the greatest advantages Android has had over iOS for ages. But last year, Google said it wanted to change that by walking back of its some by walking back some of its more restrictive ideas. The company promised to add high friction to the process. Now we have more details about what that actually means, and it looks like the promised friction is no joke. Google's new app sideloading process is slow and tedious by design. Google is introducing fundamental changes to the process of installing apps that are coming from outside its Play Store. The company says in a blog post that it is intentionally making the process slow, tedious, and impossible to rush. If you guys want to check out that blog post, I will have that link down in the description box as well, so check it out as well. Its idea is into its idea is into its idea is a its idea is a God damn, I can't talk, but it says here its idea is to introduce an installation flow that's difficult enough to protect the average Android users from scammers using high pressure tactics to create users into installing malicious apps in an emergency rush. Meanwhile, advanced users will have a one-time process that will still allow them to freely download apps whenever they want. So this is interesting. You will need to wait 24 hours before installing Android apps from unverified developers. So I guess this is how this is going to work. So I guess these are steps on how it's going to work, I guess. So it says advanced flow for power users to download apps from unverified developers. So you guys can pause the screen and read that here. 1. Confirm you're not being coached. 2. Restart your phone and re-authenticate. 3. Come back after 24-hour wait and verify. Enable the settings and you're ready to install apps. So you guys can pause and read the things here, or click the first link in the description box to go to the article, and you guys can read this for yourself. So yeah. It says that the most tedious part of the new process is that it includes a 24-hour lock before you can install an app from an unverified developer. The full process has 6 steps, each of which has a specific role in protecting potential scam victims. Here's all the steps with details on how each of them protects users. So I recently just went over these steps a little bit there. So here's a written out version of that. So first step you want to do is enable developer mode. You need to manually and intentionally enable developer options before starting the install process without seeing an automatic pop-up. The second thing that you guys are going to do is confirm you're not being coerced, I guess, or I guess it's being coerced, I guess. Or concrete, I guess. I guess you being coerced, concrete, or whatever. I don't know how that C word is sounded there. It says you'll need to explicitly confirm no one is pressuring you to disabling your device protections, researchers find. This tab is designed to cut off active calls, remote access, or screen sharing, which are often used by scammers. Fourth thing that you guys gotta do is wait 24 hours and re-authenticate. Google's protective waiting period is a one-time measure to give you time to think over the manufactured urgency of scammers. The fifth thing that you guys are going to do is install apps. Before the installation, you'll see one more warning about the app being from an unidentified developer, but you can just tap install anywhere. It says during the new process, you'll be able to choose whether installing apps from unverified sources should remain active for 7 days or indefinitely. That will allow you to freely install as many APKs from different developers as you may want for the time you have selected. That step is the reason Google says this is a one-time process for advanced users. What is a verified developer, you may ask? Users, tourists, and sideloading Android apps. Sideloading directly from verified developers. Sideload directly from developers you know from their company's website or other channels. Nothing changes from today's user experience. Sideloading from developers with limited distribution accounts. Sideload directly from developers you know from the channels they choose. Sideload from unverified developers with advanced flow. Sideload unregistered apps with extra safeguards that give you crucial time and space needed to break the cycle of coercion. The most important element of the new process is that it will be required to install. It will be required for app. Well, the most important element of the new process is that it will be required for installing apps from unverified developers. These will be developers who haven't passed Google's new Android developer verification requirements, which the company announced last year. The new rules will require developers to provide details such as their legal name, address, email address, and phone number, and in some cases a copy of a government-issued ID to Google or pay a registration fee. Okay. So there will be some exceptions to this process that Google will provide students and hobbyists with limited distribution accounts. Those will allow sharing apps with up to 20 people without providing a government-issued ID or paying a registration fee. The change is coming soon, but you probably shouldn't fret about it. For most average Android users, this is not gonna mean nothing to them because they usually download stuff from the Play Store anyway. So if you are an advanced user and you guys like to download apps outside the Play Store, this will pertain to you here. It says both the limited distribution accounts and the new installation flow will be rolled out to users in August. Then the new developer verification requirements will take effect in Brazil, Indonesia, Singapore, and Thailand, followed by a global rollout sometime in 2027. So, yeah. While the changes may sound very drastic for the vast majority of Android users, almost nothing will change as long as you stick to Play Store apps. You won't need to do anything different. However, if you're using third-party app stores and downloading apps regularly, you'll need to jump through some hoops, obviously. One thing we have yet to see is how developers react to the change. If there's a mass boycott of Google's new system, more users may be forced to clash with this process. The person who wrote the article says they doubt that it will be the case because there are very few reasons for legitimate developers to avoid Google's verification. If that helps fewer users get scammed through malicious apps, that's a great move on Google's part. So, yeah, sideloading apps on Android it's about to get harder anyway, because Google has been saying this since last year, that they're going to make sideloading apps on Android a lot harder to do now. So, in some cases, you may have to wait 24 hours to install an app. If you like to sideload apps on your phone or whatever, this is going to be a big issue for you, and you guys have to take note of that. If you don't, if you're in it, if you're in average Android users, if you're an average Android user, this will not promote. This will not pertain to you, because most average Android users, they stick to the Play Store anyway. So some people don't know how to sideload apps on Android anyway. So most people will stick to the Play Store to get their apps and stuff like that. So if you're an advanced Android user and you guys like to sideload apps and stuff like that, you guys might have to wait 24 hours to install an app. So yeah, the change is coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me all that. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.